Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 4, 2022, 4-star Sudoku, first grade. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come here one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, only one number is remaining. 3 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come here one of the 2 cells. 3rd row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. First grade, only one number is remaining. 3 is confirmed here. Column D and 10th row, we have 4. 4th grade also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 9, 5. 10th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 8. 5th row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 3 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 8. 9th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come here one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come here one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. It will come here one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. Column G, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 6, 7. Column F, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 3rd row, we have 4. Column I also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. column I, column J, second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third grade, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Sixth row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J and second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Sixth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, third row, we have 8. Second grid also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 5th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Second row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column I, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Sixth row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Third row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share the video. Thank you very much.